What is going on, guys? So, happy Friday. Yeah, I'm wearing the same clothes as Wednesday's video because it is currently midnight, Saturday night. But anyway, that aside, everybody knows how we do these things. Dad's wild thing is going to be getting some new rear suspensions parts, as I stated in my last video. But I did do some work to this over the weekend and stuff. So I added some new lights. Check it out. Bam. Isn't that cool? I took the rear bumper, or the front bumper, off the Deadbolt and mounted it back here, and it fits pretty stinking good. Look at that. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a bottom lip, but I think it fits pretty well. I think it looks freaking sweet. And then I took the mounting bracket for that because I had a spare red one left over from the Baby Crusher build. That came on the chassis, that little bracket. It's the same as that one there. But yeah, so this is the mounting bracket for the Deadbolt bumper, and I just stuck the headlights in there and took some screws and put them on the bottom to hold the lights in there. And yeah, there is lights in here too that light up, they're just not plugged in. But yeah, so let me get some tools around and we shall get into the suspension links. So as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, the upper bracket there is kind of cocked downward. That's because if it's mounted in there properly, it cocks the differential back pretty significantly, and it created a bunch of binding and stuff in the drive shaft. So with doing this mod, I took the suspension link, drilled a hole out, and that drill bit size is 3/16. Drilled the hole out with a 3/16 drill bit. You can see the roundness of it. And then I snipped the remaining material out to make room for this. And yeah, it works pretty freaking well. So grant you, I won't be able to upgrade this to a metal one unless I feel like using a die grinder and stuff, which I could do. I might actually do that now. So yeah, I actually had to do the same thing to Baby Crusher. I just didn't film it. So yeah, let me get my tools around and we'll get into it. Be right back, guys. Alright guys, so as you could tell, I had to do a little bit of extra work because now that I got the proper angles and stuff on this little truck, the shocks weren't really lined up quite well. So they were kind of binding and kind of stiff, so I had to turn the shock mount towers around and swap them out, and then I had to change this because this was going forward, so I had to change it to go backward so it would mount the body properly. But yeah, other than that, there you go guys. She is ready to roll. Pretty stinking sweet. So again, as always, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.